Make the switch, enroll, and register today. Here's how. It's fast and easy. The first step is to verify your account. Start by tapping the Next button on your screen. Read and review our terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. Then click Continue to confirm. Choose the type of account you'll use to register. Don't worry, you only need to register one account, and our auto-sync technology will link all your other security bank accounts, even your saved billers and favorites. Enter your account information and tap Next to receive a 6-digit SMS OTP on your registered mobile number. Key in the OTP and hit Submit. Lastly, set up your login credentials. Create a new username or use your previous username if available, then tap Next. After nominating your password, click Submit. Then OK to complete your login credential verification. Now, try logging into your account using your new username and password. Tapping Log In will generate an SMS OTP, which will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and tap Submit. We're almost there. For your security, nominate your TPIN before proceeding. Just remember, a 24-hour period will be implemented before you can use your TPIN to authorize transactions such as fund transfers, bill payments, and account modifications. And never share your TPIN with anyone. If you suspect that your TPIN has been compromised, change it immediately or contact us at 02-8887-9188 for further assistance. As an add-on, you can choose and enable biometrics by tapping OK, then Allow on the system prompt. Congratulations, you're all set! Start exploring the all-new Security Bank app.